Hey students, sorry if you were not able to come to class today. Just wanted to give you a quick review of what we did. So first of all, we talked about the week 7 assignment, and this unit is on proportion. So for this assignment, you are going to create a design that has two characters or two objects that have a proportional relationship to each other. And when we talk about proportion, we talk about scale and the fact that the octopus is larger, indicating that it is closer to us than this cat. And this cat is obviously up in the air above this water that I have imported the image of, and it is about to pounce into the water onto the octopus, right? So we're seeing these proportional relationships, and so that is the goal of this assignment. One of your objects or characters, you can use the trace bitmap command, and that's where it's super quick and fast. But for the other object, and for me, I did the cat, I would like you to use the Bezier tool and trace your bitmap of whatever it is that you're going to be using as your other object or character. The reason why is just because you can never get too much experience with using the Bezier tool. It's a tough tool to use, but it is something that you want to get better and better at. So be sure to trace one. And then you also just need to make sure that you have some type of a background that brings the story together. You need to tell a story with your designs, okay? I know sometimes you're just thinking about the basics, like, oh, how do I trace bitmap? Oh, how do I use the Bezier tool? But once you've got the technical stuff down, you need to make sure that you organize your composition so that it's unified, it's telling a story, it's balanced, it's cohesive. The next thing that we did in class is we played Jeopardy. So I am going to be putting together a quiz that goes along with this Jeopardy game. There is a link to the game, so you can just go ahead and play it and do the quiz at the same time. As always, your weekly work is due on Tuesday. So we did have the movement assignment, I believe it was, where you had to make a trail of something unique, and that was due on Tuesday. So that's been zeroed out. So make sure that you're checking your grade book and seeing what you're missing, and shoot for getting your work in on time next week. Thanks.